Hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can remove the buzzing sound from your microphone. So there's a couple of reasons why this might be happening. The first thing we need to do is just head over to your start menu and search for settings, and then come over to the settings window. Inside of this search box on the left hand side here, we're just going to search for troubleshoot and then click on sound settings. Now before we start, I'd recommend coming down to the bottom section here and just selecting troubleshoot common sound problems and selecting input devices. You'll then need to select your microphone from this list of input devices and then go ahead and select next and just run through the steps on the screen to try and identify any issues with your microphone. Now if that hasn't solved the issue, then what we need to do from this screen is come over to the input section down here, and you need to first ensure that your microphone is selected as the default device. So for me, my microphone is this Yeti Stereo one at the bottom, so I'm going to go ahead and select that. And then the second thing we need to do here is just adjust the volume of our microphone. Now, if you have this slider turned up too high, then it can distort your voice and cause a kind of crackling sound in the background. So I'd recommend setting this number to around about 80 to 90. And then scrolling down to the bottom here and coming into more sound settings. Come over to this recording tab at the top, and once again just make sure your microphone is set to the default device here just by left clicking on your microphone and clicking set default. Once you've done that, we can then right click on our microphone and come over to properties, and then come over to the levels tab, and once again just make sure this slider is set to around 80 to 90, and then head over to advanced. And then what you want to do over here is uncheck this box where it says allow applications to take exclusive control of this device, and then you also want to try changing the format just to make sure we've got the highest hertz available. So as you can see, for my microphone I have either 44,000 hertz available or 48,000, so I'm just going to select the top option here, and then you can go ahead and press apply and OK to save your changes. Now the next thing you can do is head back over to your start menu, and this time we're just going to search for device manager and then head over to the device manager window. From this list we need to come over to audio inputs and outputs and expand this drop down, and you just need to locate your microphone from this list here, and then we're going to right click on our microphone and select update driver. Then we can press search automatically for drivers and just ensure you have the latest driver for your device here. And if you've tried all of these options and you're still hearing a background or buzzing noise on your microphone, then the last thing you can do is configure the sound settings in the application that you're trying to record from. For example, if you're using the Discord application, then you can come over to the user settings at the bottom here inside of voice and video, and then if we scroll down to the bottom here, there'll be an option for echo cancellation as well as noise suppression, which we can set to crisp. Now just by enabling these two features alone is going to help reduce any background noise you might be picking up, and depending on the application you're using you should have a similar sort of option available. And if that's still not fixed the issue for you, then it could just be down to the quality of your microphone, and you may want to consider upgrading your microphone. And that's it guys, that's how you remove the buzzing sound from your microphone in Windows 11. If this video did help you, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.